Hey guys! Welcome back! I've been a Huawei user for 4 years and yung pinaka nagustuhan ko about their phones is their camera, software, and ecosystem. Alam ko na marami sa mga loyal and long-term Huawei users ang mag-a-agree dyan. Pero para sa mga new users and pati na rin dun sa mga nagbabalak palang bumili, yung pinoproblema nila ay yung kawalan ng access sa Google Play Store and pati na rin sa mga Google Apps. Don't worry! Kasi sa video na to, I'm going to show you how to install Google Apps on your Huawei phone. A quick disclaimer lang bago tayo magsimula. Lahat ng steps 100% working sa time na in-upload ko yung video. If ever man in the future na may mga steps or links na ayaw nang gumana, normal po yan. Kasi workaround lang to lahat. So, pwedeng today, gumagana, pero in a couple of weeks or months, hindi na. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala kasi nag-upload ako ng mga updated tutorials regularly. So, don't forget to subscribe para lagi kayong updated. Okay, with that being said, start na tayo. Una nyong kailangan gawin is to go to the Huawei App Gallery, which is, by the way, the third largest app gallery in the world. And sa search box, type nyo lang Gbox. I've been using this app for almost 3 years. And so far, wala naman akong naging problem. For those of you na bago pa lang and ngayon pa lang siya gagamitin, you will see install dito. Pero since I already have this app installed, open na ang nakalagay. So, click nyo lang yan and then follow the instructions to install. I won't elaborate na yung buong process. Pero if you want to see the step-by-step instructions, click nyo na lang tong video ko na to. Kasi pinakita ko dyan yung buong installation process. Ilalagay ko na lang din yung link ng video sa description box later. So, pag na-install nyo na yung app, eto yung user interface niya. Meron ditong icon ng Play Store, together with the other apps na in-install nyo via Gbox. We can create a shortcut sa home screen by steady pressing the Play Store icon. Then, pag lumabas yung options, click nyo lang yung create shortcut. Dito sa home screen, makikita nyo na nagkaroon na tayo ng clickable na Google Play Store icon, which makes it more convenient. Now, let me show you another app called Gspace. Hindi siya available sa Huawei App Gallery. Kaya, ang gagawin natin is to go to this website. As much as possible, mas okay na mag-download tayo sa mga official websites. If ever man na hindi siya available sa Huawei App Gallery. Okay, so pagpunta nyo dyan, you will see this homepage. Click nyo lang tong green button to download the free APK. Pagkatapos ma-download, click the file and then sa bottom, click install. Pag open nyo ng app, click on this button to start. After that, may pop-up message sa bottom. Just click allow twice to proceed. Next, we need to download additional files. So, click nyo yung continue. Wait nyo lang for 1 to 2 minutes. And then, pagtapos na, click enable. Sa next page, click the slider to allow app installs. Sa homepage, you will see na meron tayo ditong icon ng Play Store. Pero unlike Gbox, hindi siya nagagawa ng shortcut. Sa other apps, pwede naman. Steady press nyo lang and then click create shortcut. Okay, so at this point, na-install na natin si Gbox at Gspace, which gives us access to the Google Play Store. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is to click on the Google Play Store icon to log in. Try natin with Gspace. Pag click natin ng Google Play Store, mapupunta kayo sa page na to. Just click this button to sign in. Just input your registered email and password and then you're all set. Once nakapag-sign in na kayo, you will then receive a security alert email from Google. This is normal and safety feature yan ng Google each time mag-sign in ka using a new device. Pero in this case, iba yung lumalabas sa device dun sa actual na unit ko. And the reason is because Gbox and Gspace uses a virtual machine as a proxy for our Huawei device para ma-bypass yung restrictions imposed by the US sanctions. Marami kasi akong nakikitang comments na nagtatanong na bakit ibang device yung nag-register sa email, nahack ba sila, or safe ba to? Well, I hope this explanation covers your concerns. Okay, isa sa mga downside ng Gbox and Gspace is that once inan-install mo sila, mawawala din lahat ng apps na in-install mo using it. And that includes basic Google apps like Chrome, Gmail, and YouTube. So, para maiwasan yan, we are going to install an app called MicroG. Pag sinearch mo siya ngayon sa Huawei App Gallery, hindi siya lalabas. Kasi may kailangan pa tayong gawing extra step. And that is to change our region from Philippines to Malaysia. You can do that by clicking on this icon sa bottom right ng app gallery nyo. Swipe up and then go to settings. Sa next page, makikita nyo yung current region. And usually, nakaset yan sa Philippines by default. So, click nyo lang to change our region to Malaysia. Now that we've changed our region, pag sinearch mo yung MicroG sa Huawei App Gallery, lalabas na siya sa search results. Click nyo lang to install. Pag open nyo ng app, click here to add your Google account. Pagka login nyo, you will see this pop-up message. Then click on allow. From here, you can go to your Huawei App Gallery. And you can download Gmail, YouTube, Chrome, and yung iba pang mga Google native apps. Hindi na sila tied up sa Gbox or Gspace. Kaya if ever na kailangan nyo silang i-uninstall, hindi na madadamay yung mga Google apps nyo. Last step is to change our region back to Philippines. And kailangan natin gawin to kasi you may encounter some errors with payment apps like GCash as well as banking apps. Kasi nga, Malaysia yung location natin. So that concludes our tutorial. And I hope nakatulong sa inyo. If you have questions or suggestions, just leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply. So that's it. See you in the next one.